my name is Jodi Guglielmi. I'm from Orlando, Florida. I graduated from High Point University in 2015. I was a communications major with a focus in journalism. The first job I got out of college was at People magazine. I was there for 7 years. I ended my time there as a TV editor, and I currently work at Rolling Stone magazine as a breaking news editor. Being in the Rolling Stone office is so exciting. No day is the same. You wake up every morning and you don't know what's gonna come your way. I thrive in that chaos. I love that energy. I think it's nice to be around like-minded people who are just as driven as you are. It's just that high energy that you want out of a newsroom. When I started at High Point, these were dreams that I had that I didn't really think were attainable. But during my time here, I gained a sense of confidence that allowed me to pursue my dream jobs. I worked for the school newspaper for 4 years. By my senior year, I was the editor-in-chief. When I started looking for jobs, it was the school newspaper that I actually got asked the most about because it showed 4 years of dedication to a publication. I was able to show real-world examples of work that I could do that I was going to be asked to do in the field that I was going into. Through my classes and through my mentorships, I gained a sense of self, and I had people in my corner who believed in me, who were pushing me to always want more. My mentor at High Point University was Dr. Bobby Hayes. He is still my mentor today, nearly 10 years out of college. He was the first person who really believed in me. Mentorship matters, and your mentorship really mattered to me.
Thank you.
He also worked as a journalist himself, so he was able to give me really good advice he had learned throughout his career. I wouldn't be where I am without him. I owe so much of my success to him. To me, choosing to be extraordinary means never letting your fears stop you and always pushing yourself for something more.